What I will say is Mace made a great point, but he didn't zero in on it enough. You will get robbed in LA and the Bay.
Yeah.
Niggas is coming to get you, bro.
Yeah.
And, you know, he touched on it, but I will emphasize. They are coming to rob you when you get to LA and when you get to the Bay. Them Oakland niggas, the Richmond niggas, them San Francisco, they are coming to rob you. So don't come up there and be like, oh, the trolley, nice hills. And you will get yapped. And LA is listen, one thing I learned,
even while you sitting down to eat. Niggas in LA rob you while you sitting down to eat.
The pandemic was vicious.
You be outside just eating, thinking you cool.
I was sleeping with an AR when I was living in LA a couple years ago during the pandemic, like, because it was too reckless. Like you said, I seen that video where somebody was eating. They just walked
like, yo, let me get that.
Let me take that watch up off you. Everything. Then they just sat there, you know. So